Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourself. So, I am your English teacher Archana Singh, welcoming you all to your English class. Okay, so we will go to start a topic that is called Sheetal. I know we have all done it, okay, and this is the fourth time we will be doing, isn't it? So not at all a issue because we are doing, because so many students have joined late, they have missed the chapters and the exercises. For them we will be again revising the chapter from the first. Okay, so without wasting any time, we will start our chapter, that is Sheetal. In Sheetal, we will know how is Sheetal, how Sheetal's routine is followed, everything we will know. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's start the topic. Okay. Let's start the Sheetal chapter. See, what does Sheetal do? Means her routine is described. What does she do from morning to night? Let's start and see what does she do. Sheetal is a good girl. She gets up in time. She brushes her teeth in the morning and at night. She takes a bath every day. She wears clean clothes and combs her hair. She drinks milk and eats a banana in the morning. She goes to school by bus. Sheetal studies hard. She likes to draw and color pictures. She gets good grades. She has many friends. She helps her friends. So, as I said you earlier, this chapter is about Sheetal and her routine. What does Sheetal follow the routine from morning to night? As we all follow a routine from morning to night, isn't it? Like that, she also follows. You people also follow. Okay. So what does she do when she gets up? She gets up in time. She's a good girl. She brushes her teeth in morning and at night. Okay, she takes bath every day. She wears clean clothes and combs her hair. She drinks milk and eats a banana in the morning in the breakfast, isn't it? She goes to school by bus. Okay, she studies hard. She likes to draw and color pictures. She gets good grades, means good marks. She has many friends. She helps her friend. Okay. I hope you have all understood this. This is the chapter about Sheetal. Okay. Now we will move to exercises. Okay. What are the exercises of Sheetal? We will do and complete it. Okay. But before that, see, I have marked some spellings. These are the hard spellings of the chapter. And I would like you all to write these hard spellings in your copy so that you can learn it also. Okay. Learn and write you will all. Okay. Whatever spellings I have marked. Right. See, the hard spellings are good, G-O-O-D, good, T-I-M-E, time, T-E-E-T-H, tith, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning, N-I-G-S-T, night, E-V-E-R-I-D-A-Y, every day, C-L-E-A-N, clean, C-L-O-T-E-S, clothes, C-O-M-B-S, combs, D-R-I-N-K-S, drinks, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana in the morning. She goes to school by bus. SCHOOL, school. Sheetal studies. STUDIE, studies. COLOUR, color. PICTURES, pictures. GRADES, grades. FRIENDS, friends. Okay, these are the hard you will do, and I want you all to write down in your copy also which are the spellings marked, right? So let's move to the exercises. Yes, so first exercise is fill in the blanks using words from the help box. Sheetal wear clean clothes. She takes a bath every day, isn't it? She drinks milk and eats a banana, B-A-N-A, banana. Next one, Sheetal get good grades, isn't it? Grades. Next one, Sheetal likes to draw and color pictures, right? These are the answers. Now next one, here are some words from the story with missing vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so we will place the vowels in this box. First one is brush, U. Next one is A, banana, isn't it? Next one is COMB, comb. Next one is HIAIR, hair. Friends, FRIENDS, friends. Guys, your 1-2 is the homework. You will write in your English copy. Okay, students, you will all write in the English copy. Number 3, no need to write in the copy. We will do it in the books itself. Okay. Look carefully at the picture. Choose the correct sentence from those who have given. See, I am choosing the correct sentence. We will all write. Sheetal brushes her teeth. That means Sheetal brushes her teeth. Sheetal brushes her teeth. Okay. Next one is she goes to school by bus, isn't it? She goes to school by bus, right? Next one, she does all her homework, isn't it? She does all her homework. Okay. Next one, she plays with her friends. She plays with her friends. Okay, so this is completion of the chapter, right? So as I said, we will do question number 1, 2 in the copy, 3 in the book itself. And I hope that you have all understood. If any issues, you are welcome to ask me anytime. Okay, I'll help you out. Okay, and also do write the words which I have underlined in your copy. Okay, so by this, I'll end my class. And I hope you have enjoyed the class. So take care all of you. Be fit, be strong, obey your parents, teachers, do your assignments on time, and have a very nice day and take care all of you. Okay, bye students, take care, bye.